Royce, black and black, Shaka Zulu.
That's why you can't do, 'cause the father when you're struggling.
Jamaica is a pussy country. Remember that blood.
I literally almost on fish. You see me?
And you fall upon the net attack. Fuck your people, Edmund. A joke argument that youth. Burn them, burn them, burn them, burn them. Blood red. I tell you.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop! Jamaica, stop!
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel, people. Yo, they gone for a minute, but we're there again, people. Yeah, man, I be things to see I go on in nice space. Where Buju son say literally nearly do what? Yo, we have to go check out the argument there and see what really I go on for that. But before we circle this, so we have to go link up the fireman car and that tear off Linstead and a burn it down one at a time, you know, people. So we can see what I go on over this with the fireman.
What's in here? What's in here? Oh, man! Look at that! Level! One the one that lives in that bag one, I see. Down, chain.
So that the fireman over there in a Linstead in a family and deliver an epic piece of set. Yeah, man, epic performance from Capleton as usual, because you know how the fireman him go to work. When the fireman up on stage, a lone touch, everything ablaze, the whole place a burn down. You see the crowd control him and exert as well, because one night time during the set, him have the whole place a swerve and a go and I deliver the first part of the song, and then him just forward in with the next set of bars them and just start lift the tempo and the whole place just go off. It was an epic performance, man. Yeah, man. So now we are check out Vybz Kartel new song, you know, people. Him say my pre for drop it soon. Wanna think, but I know wanna think about that one.
Hey, baby, give me yours. Hey.
She said she love the lifestyle. Bring it right now, girl, it's so tight. And every bad bitch on my time. She see the hand and that she want blue all night. You better know the lifestyle. Bring a friend right now, get me cool like ice. New beast by park up outside. She has some cocky, me a smoke and drive.
Hold on. World Boss CEO, I am the guru. Rolls Royce, black and black, Shaka Zulu. Tell the haters this is what I want you do. Stop watch me for free, subscribe to me on Hulu. Poolside with some fine shit, not doodle. That's a spare time. Real Rolex, no bandulu. Girl, and that's your mind. That one the time you share the voodoo. When you want me fuck you in a Dubai, you're on a Lulu. Feed you, make your body fat, look what good food do. Me like your vibes more than no China like no good.
Hold on, World Boss CEO, I'm the guru. Yeah, people, you don't know a Vybz Kartel that again with a new song, you know the man there, alien brain, you know. 10 songs a day, yeah, man, a different vibe, man. You tell you, I know the thing about that song, the people. And like how we talk about the World Boss, you don't know recently, him go on a yacht with be a girl, be a big body girl circle, dog yacht, and they da all a vibes with him one night time, but you know, people online are on fire and say, yo, what going to woman? You don't know the whole thing go. So it was a crazy thing online, people. The whole place I got now friends, you know, Kartel go to work, you see me? So we have one Kevin a father out and a blaze of fire upon them naysayers there right away. Because you know, Gaza Kevin, yeah, probably can call him that. Gaza Kevin go to work, you know, people.
You all not worry about Kartel and the fact that the man gone out from boat with upon a yacht with girl. What the fuck that have to do with you know? The man no big man. Do all not go like say the man everybody pitney. Some of the blood clot and happy girl don't know on the man there. You not go like say a Kartel cheat pound and fuck pound the head. And fuck pound the eye top. And fucking on the bed. You not go like a Kartel do it. You not take out all of the problem on the have with man growing up and put it on Kartel. Oh, Kartel a jealous and Kartel, I don't know, one burner. With all of them girls upon yacht naked, he must fuck one of them. What are your problem? See them see it just like you. Me see it. We see it. The world see it. So what the fuck you take it and make it a problem for? The man I enjoy him life. Leave the man, make him enjoy him life. blood clot when you get up on an unhappy self. You don't have no man, all you have is a rose. That's why on a blood clot so miserable. Because a dildo and rose to the pussy. You don't have no man. You come out here and make the man life full of problem. You know see what the man a do? The man a drink beer Ace of Spade. You know how much a buckle of Ace of Spade is? Some $4,000. You understand? You can find a $350 buckle too. But the man a drink some expensive champagne campaign. Lord, the man alone. Make the man enjoy his life. You not go on like say the man leave jail to come on road and have warders. I tell him what to do. Man go suck on the mother.
Yeah, people, so that a one Kevin, aka Gaza Kevin, Gaza Bulldog, Gaza Pitbull. You know the man that got to work, you know. Anybody forward comes on anything negative about Vybz Kartel, the man that burn a fire, flame, touch, everything, you see me? If we're not forward off a bit strong with the SYM at the end of the but yeah, hear the message him deliver, you know him go to work, him go burn him fire and, you know, I go all our realms and go hard for the cartel. You don't know the man that go to work, people. But now we check out Shorty. Yeah, man, you don't know Shorty, Vybz Kartel, baby mother. She a vibe to Little Vybz song. And Little Vybz featuring Vybz Kartel. Brother that, you know that it and Ghana one part, you see me? Yeah, man, so she did that all her vibes and I roll out in the street in a big German.
Overdrive. When I follow speed limit, some overdrive. Every day in the studio that I overnight. Big food drop, down in the stove like shout out, look at it, that was so like. I'm a brother that get a pussy if you miss that. I'm a brother that get the money, split it in half. I'm a brother that also come with happy rich fast. I'm a brother that could do bad mind rich part. I'm a brother that bust down every wristwatch. I'm a brother that you win, so me win that. I'm a brother that every day so we live that. I'm a brother that so we have been 800. I'm a son, but we go like I'm a brother that. Girl, I lick my balls, still it lighter than a feather. I'm 250 on my wrist, I'm no begging, so I'm a cheddar that. But we could have never run. Travel through the test, I rock a victory every day. Machine, I shake to the show for
That's why you can't do, cause my father when you're struggling.
Only that's here, woman. Listen, no.
So that a Sanchez a link up with Jahvinci and Not Nice in a studio in a family. Yeah, man, two wicked piece of singer the man them be, you know. So you know so that song that it have to go so good regardless, you see me? Cause Jahvinci dub himself the world singer, and you know say Sanchez legendary singer. From me and little boy me hear Sanchez a sing and the man they still a do it. Yeah, man, so you know say yo a wicked piece of animation are forward between the two artists them. You see me I did? Yeah, man, I love how it sound too, especially Sanchez vocals on it. You say Jahvinci, that's why you can't do. Cause yo, wicked piece of vocal on that from Sanchez. This man, yeah man, rate it man. We just want that forward out now. Hear the finished product. I know say yeah, it. You see me? So now we're gonna segue over to Buju Banton people. Him recently fired up on a live. Him did in a private jet a fly out and him a whole a little vibes and a sip some scotch and a whole a little realms. You see me? I preview him new song on the WYFL rhythm set speed. Him kind of adjust the situation in a way with him son. You know, recently him son fired out on the media and I say, yo.
I literally almost on fish. Yes,
him son said so people have the whole place, the whole dance hall in an uproar, you know, because a Buju Banton son this. And if everybody know Buju, them man they burn the fire hard, you see me? Them man they ease up the flame, no time. So when him son fired out and make them statement, it does look away upon the gargamel, but him not make it too face him.
You in the woman fall, I know the road, look at the call. In a dance hall, woman so them want a man to make them feel good. Overall, girl, you sexy like war. Oh, you come on road and shout and show your body jaw. You want the good eyes and you tell the man you are. I make you want so, I make you want so. Then all you X-rated like war.
Lock yourself, the winner ready. Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus, man. The winner already, my yard. sparkle, yeah. And the pussy in my life, I can never make me sweat. Me rough sweat, waist no neck, and every room me fire. Me get defenseless. Take that one position, let me switch it to the next.
Jamaica is a pussy country. Remember that blood clot. What are you?
Love on our people. I'm paying the microphone, bro. I'm not time for that. I'm music percent. So, roll with me now.
So Buju Banton's son, I say him almost done fish. But when he remember him father's song, Boom Bye Bye, him no bother. You know so powerful that song that is? That means a song that save enough youths for not go the other way, you know. You see it? But for the next hand, some of these youths, where these entertainers get, sometimes they never know the parent where them have. Youth, a fuck you concept on the net in a youth. Something wrong with you in a youth. And your father legacy I try mash up in a youth. You know how long you fish them I try bring down your father youth. I try get rid of your father. You know how long them I try mash up your father. And you can see them thing up on the net youth. Something wrong with you. When mother there? When brother and sister them there, they need to go sit down and talk with him. Cause a long time my sister is not really collective in her brain still, you know. You see it? Because of your father that in a youth, a Buju that in a youth, you feel like say if fire, nobody not gonna spear no fire within a youth, you get burn out, you know. All you do is just make the fish community rejoice right now. Them feel so good if you know say at least then grab one. You see it? This almost thing is either you're straight or not straight. This almost thing that gonna work. Youth, me don't know who tell him if you go do an interview there, who I want to hear you say voices are talking in your brain. Yeah, we know voices can talk in your brain. But that the argument is not right. Oh, that drop in your brain say you almost stole the fish, but when you remember your father's song, you know bother. Why the fuck you try to fuck up your father's legacy in a youth? You see it? And if you understand, say, if you was a normal youth and you said that, nobody will respond to you, a business with you, But because you're Buju Banton son, people are going to run the story hard. So if I go burn your youth, it no matter your who for son or whatsoever, if I go burn you, it's either you're straight or you're lean. Look how hard your father fight, boy. See? For even one life. Because the gay community almost shut down film legacy worldwide. You see? And Buju Banton stand firm and never bow in and never give up and hold it out. And the man get to know as him soldiers, if he come stand up beside him and defend him thing. That means when him shatter it and gone. And you fall upon the net attack, fuck your people, Edmund. A joke argument that youth.
So that a Gangoolie, I give him opinion on the whole matter with the Gargamel and theme son in the people, because where Gangoolie I say him son should have never followed out and make them utterances there, and we would completely agree with him if it is that somebody knows say yo the youth have mental issues or so 100 mentally, you know, have him I get certain type of care or have him their own people, you know, say yo generally care for him and I look out for him best interest, and now I go and see him come out and make certain speeches or do certain actions where I go bring shame upon himself and also him family and him father brand. You get me, I did? So I definitely have to agree with Gangoolie upon that 100%. They say, yeah man, somebody for dead of you, I care for him and I oversee say yo, that youth a good right through, you know? Because they can see say yo, him a fall short in a certain era, a certain reasonability, or certain social cognitive skills. You get me, I did? Yeah man. So now we are check out Money Idol Boss people on the Pop the Balloon challenge. The man saying forget the Wi-Fi code. Yo, a beating the man go out with, you know. Yo, the man have the bigger man stunted. Oh yeah, we have to go check it out people if you laugh.
Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Bubbles. On YouTube, Instagram. I'm an artist as well.
Okay, Bubbles. Oh, that's the type of work you do?
Yeah, I'm an artist. I do business as well.
Okay, all right then. And what's like a red flag for you though, when it comes on to a man?
Ugly man.
You don't like an ugly man?
No like no man.
So him have to look good.
Yeah, man, you have to look good and me and him can go out. Where you look, yeah.
Oh.
You see me no feel ugly and him man ugly.
So,
understand this like how me no hard to look pan, me no want no man we hard to look pan.
okay.
Yeah, we have to put ladder bag over them face.
Okay. Alright. And what's like your type? Kind of money and I'm gonna go for?
Nice, clean man. Yeah, we dress good.
Yeah.
Respectable.
Yeah.
Carry themselves good.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know them type there.
Okay. And like what's a perfect first date for you?
Perfect first date, you
Yeah.
know, me and him can go out, go have a drink. Yeah. And talk. Yeah, and get to know me and get to know him. So I think set.
That don't sound bad though.
No.
Alright, then want to shout out to social?
You don't know, see, one bad girl looking for you know. You know me there on YouTube, Instagram, all platform.
Okay. Alright. So we got some pops. So we can find out why them pop the balloon, alright? Alright. So you want to start with that here?
You don't know share money at that, boss. Why my puppy? Because me don't remember my Wi-Fi code.
You pop your balloon because you don't remember your Wi-Fi code?
Yeah. That's right. Me don't remember my Wi-Fi code.
Okay. And based on her appearance though, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Same number what she give me.
And so,
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
it's like when he talk like fool. I mean, they give him 0.
0 to 10?
0 to 10.
Is he your type though?
No, sir. No one nobody ugly on me.
Check. Microphone check. You know you need to go one moment. Cause let me tell you something. No disrespect. You should have your bed and rest. Yeah, for tomorrow. Cause guess what? You are say ugly. You're looking at glass before you come on the show.
Yeah, man, I'm looking at it. Me just
No,
go,
say
just go
you
urine.
be cracker, you never realize. Cause check it back.
Alright, good. Alright, good. You good?
So that a money idol people with the big woman bubbles on the pop the balloon challenge. Yo, I beat in the youth they go out with it. Man, I say if you get the Wi-Fi code and tell the big woman say she like crack glass. Yo, I beat him go out with it. But with there I get enough people. I go and drop the episode. If you stay tuned for watch the entire vlog. So I'm big up again and tell you thanks. You see me? Stay tuned for more episodes from the channel. Mad.